Hi GCC students, my name is Meg Rademacher and I will be your instructor for your HES 100 course, also known as Healthful Living. So throughout the semester we'll be working together. Before we kind of get started, I wanted to touch base with you on a few important things for the class. First off, this is how your homepage will look for the course, and then most recent announcements will be posted here. I would encourage you throughout the semester to be sure that you're checking in with the course every other day, every couple of days. Throughout the course, depending on the week that we're given, you may have some assignments that are due on Wednesday, some assignments may be due on Friday, and some assignments that will be due with a Sunday due date. So it just depends on the week. So please make sure that you are getting online first thing on Monday morning when the module will open, and getting to work and seeing what you need to be working on if you have a Wednesday due date, a Friday due date, or sometimes a Saturday or Sunday due date. Each week we'll have a variety of topics that we'll cover throughout this semester, all relating to some type of health and wellness that can benefit you. So I really encourage you throughout this semester to take what you're learning and apply it to your own life and how we can make you healthier as well. So just a quick rundown of the course, kind of how it works. If you're not comfortable with Canvas, I would encourage you to use the help button over here. There's a Canvas beginner's guide and tons of resources over there for extra help with Canvas. I'm assuming that most of you are pretty familiar with Canvas. If not, please reach out to me. But most of you probably are fairly comfortable with using Canvas or this type of platform. Other important thing over here is the inbox. This is how you will reach me. You'll actually just click on here and a little message will pop up. This is the easiest way to get a hold of me. I'm an adjunct instructor, so I do not have office hours on campus. However, I am available to meet via Zoom if needed, and I'm very responsive to emails or Canvas messages. Canvas messages are super easy. Just click here, send me a message. You'll do that in your orientation module to make sure you're comfortable with that as well. I generally will respond within 24 hours to you. A lot of times it's much quicker than that. So if for some reason you don't get a response from me within 24 hours, please resend the message. It could be that I got it and thought I responded, or it got lost in translation somehow. So please make sure that you're sending me messages and staying in communication with me if you're having any issues in the course. Okay? Next big thing is your syllabus. You can click here over where it says syllabus. There is a PDF version of your syllabus here. Please make sure you review that before you take the orientation quiz, as questions will relate to your syllabus that are on your orientation quiz. Okay? You'll see here the due dates of the course and all the assignments. This is probably how it's going to stay. Depending on the needs of this course, I may change things up a little bit. But you are required by this Wednesday, August 25th, this first week of class, to send me a message. Again, you'll just go over to your inbox and send me a message. I just want to make sure that you know how to communicate with me and you can get a hold of me. Okay? And then by Friday, you have a few more things due, and then also some Sunday due dates for this week as well. Please note that this is an online course and I do need you to be active and turn in your assignments within the first 5 days of this course in order to remain enrolled. Okay? Please download your PDF version of your syllabus. It talks about all of our policies there. Another big thing is I do not allow late coursework in this assignment. So please stay on top of all of your assignments. If you need to speak to me about that, again, just send me a message. Next big thing over here is your modules. Your first module is going to be an orientation module. So please make sure you're comfortable with Canvas. You go through all of the necessary tools, your instructor message, send that to me by Wednesday, and then also take the orientation quiz by Friday. You need to complete everything in the orientation module before your first week's module will open. Okay, so all of this information, you're not going to be able to get to it until you complete the orientation module. So make sure you get that done. Okay. As I said, the modules will open on Monday morning at 12 a.m. So you'll see this one will unlock August 30th. Some weeks we do have 2 modules. For example, during week 2, we will focus on both sleep and physical activity and fitness. Okay. So it just depends on the week, kind of what we're going to be working on. And then your grades button will be here too. I will do my very best keeping up with grades. I generally should have assignments graded within 3 to 4 days of the due date. I really try to stay on top of that. So again, if you guys have any questions or need any help throughout the semester, please just reach out to me. Again, that inbox over there is the best way to reach me. I look forward to working with all of you, and here's to a great, healthy, fun semester.